and it's 31st of December in 2021.
And I can't breathe, and everything you do is bad. Love me.
Located just 125 kilometers from Colombo and in the southern extremity of the country lies a destination which has much more to offer the tourists than one would think. The town of Koggala is associated with the scenic beachfronts and on the road between Galle and Matara. Koggala is neatly positioned between the fabulous beaches of Unavattara near Galle and Weligama closer to Matara.
Hi guys, we are now here in Weligama beach, one of the best places to do surfing and also one of the best tourist attraction in Sri Lanka. And after the pandemic, it's so happy to see so many tourists coming up here, and I don't have to say the view is just amazing. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy this view here.
The name of the city, Weligama, when translated to Sinhala, simply means sandy village. Without fail, it lives up to its name with a sandy stretch of beach of about 2 kilometers in length. It is the perfect spot for novice surfers to catch your first waves or learn how to surf. Visit Taprobane Island, which is few kilometers offshore the coast of Weligama, and see the one and only beautiful villa. Taprobane is the most alluring and captivating sight of all. This villa is believed to have been built by the French god Dimani. He is best known as the owner and the recreator of this island, who stumbled upon it in the 1920s. Since then, the ownership of this island has been passed down to a few noted people, and the current owner is an Australian businessman by the name Jeffrey Dobbs. At present, this villa consists of 5 suites and also an infinity swimming pool that attracts many tourists for its tropical beauty. The coastline of Weligama is rich and diverse in seafood resources. This fishing port, where hundreds of colorful fishing boats anchor and sell the night's catch of fresh fish from the Indian Ocean at the fish market to wholesale and individual buyers each morning. Travelers can easily visit this place via walking, as it's located nearby the road, and see how the local fishing market works and how the local fishing culture of Weligama area. Morning hours like 6 to 8, mostly the fish auction and fish market operated daily, and other times it's mainly used for anchorage purposes.
While exploring these beaches, we found a special place that teaches people catch fish in a special way. Actually, to tell the truth, I don't know what it's named as, but as you can see, these people are planting some kind of thing made by themselves and catching fishes. And as I know, this is a traditional way of catching fish in Sri Lanka, and it's been done from a very long time. And I must say that the water is just amazing. I have seen water like crystal clear water and so cool.
You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you.
The fascinating stilt fishermen of Kathaluwa are some of the attractions to be experienced. This fishing technique started in the mid-20th century and is unique and found only in Sri Lanka within this 10-kilometer stretch of beach. The poles, about 3 to 4 meters long, are driven into sand and used as a perch.
inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh,
So today we explored the beaches in Kathaluwa, and as we didn't have a proper plan to go to which beach or what, but after all we really enjoyed the place here. Like, we kind of explored Weligama and Kathaluwa and every beach. So I have to be honest, it's one of the beautiful beaches I have ever seen. And of course, you know, it's 31st of December and we couldn't think of a better way to end this year, as you know, it's been a tough year, not just for me, for you as well, I know. And for me personally, it's been a kind of worse year, but you know, the life goes on, the show must be going. And the special thank goes to who planned this, my best friend Lanka, who is in the border, that I'm going to join him up very soon. So
A few moments later.
in another vlog or something, a proper one, as the pandemic has not end, almost end, but we are planning to go somewhere more interesting and everything. I'm going to share with you